convinced that the virus was not created by any manipulation. We know from the genetic sequences of the virus, we know exactly its print. It's like when you do a fingerprinting, we know that the virus is very close to a virus which is found in other animal species, mostly bats, but also pangolin, and it is clear that the virus was transmitted from this animal model to man, probably in December or November or even before in China, obviously, but there is no single line of evidence of any genetic manipulation of the virus to be transmitted to humans. And I know that in China there are ongoing cases in some places again. So it will be probably the case. And I think there will be a second wave, but the problem is to which extent. Is it a small wave or a big wave? It's too early to say.
Si vous n'avez pas de soleil, vous voyez la manipulation, tout ça c'est un apprentissage. Et ils ont l'habitude de le faire tous les jours, même quand on n'est pas...
The presence of antibodies in the blood of one given individual indicates that this person has met the virus at least 2 weeks before the sampling, but this does not formally prove that this person will be protected against another infection. This is most likely the case because we know, for instance, with the vaccinal approaches, if you give the measles virus, the measles vaccine or the flu vaccine, this person will generate antibodies, and these antibodies will be protective against the real virus. So far, it is not formally proven that the presence of antibodies is protective, but this is most likely the case. We only have 3 months background behind us, so we need to follow those individuals who have generated those antibodies and to look at the stability of this immune response, and we also need to correlate the reinfection or infection of these individuals, and then we will be able to formally demonstrate that they are protected. And again, I think that this will be the case in most cases.